995 square meters. Clean title for 5.5 million pesos. 5,500,000 pesos ang presyo. Located in Barangay Libaong, Panglao, Bohol in Panglao Island. Just approximately 5 minutes drive from Panglao International Airport, Alona Beach, no, mga 5 minutes na guys. Amarela, so dito dapita. So meaning this property is ideal for apartment. Pwede siya apartment or vacation house. Pwede siya buhatan o vacation house. So second lot na siya guys, gikan sa concrete road. So kini dapita basta mga 10 steps ra, mga napu ra kalakang gikan sa concrete road, and it is along this road, no, let's say road right of way or barangay road. So mo rin siya guys, along, no, nga rectangular in form. So rectangular ang porma sa yuta, pinataas. So nindot kayo. So this is the highway, no, or provincial road.